Welcome, music students, to week 34. Today I have a song for you about a train, and many of you have probably been on a train, but if you haven't, I'll tell you my experience. I packed my bags, and then I went to the train station and I bought a ticket. And then I had to give my ticket to the conductor who stamped it. And then when I got on board on the train, I noticed there was plenty of room for many more. So let me sing you my song now, and then you'll know when to sing your part. And it's "Oh Yes," and I promise you'll figure it out. The train is a-comin', oh yes. The train is a-comin', oh yes. The train is a-comin', the train is a-comin', the train is a-comin', oh yes. You better pack your bags, oh yes. You better pack your bags, oh yes. You better pack your bags, you better pack your bags, better pack your bags, oh yes. You better get a ticket, oh yes. You better get a ticket, oh yes. You better get a ticket, you better get a ticket, you better get a ticket, oh yes. Here comes the conductor, oh yes. Here comes the conductor, oh yes. Here comes the conductor, here comes the conductor, here comes the conductor, oh yes. There's room for plenty more, oh yes. There's room for plenty more, oh yes. There's room for plenty more, there's room for plenty more, there's room for plenty more, oh yes. So did you figure out when to sing "Oh Yes"? Yeah, I thought you would. I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you next week. Bye, students.